Stephen Browning. Been playing drums for about 20 years. I currently play the Collision 2B range. They're durable, they take a pounding, and yeah, they're just in my opinion, they're the best sticks on the market. They give the big names a run for their money. What I like about Collision is what they believe in, what they stand for, and what they're doing within the market. They're doing awesome work. So yeah, keep it up, guys. Currently, my work that I'm playing, I'm doing a lot of session work, playing in church band, God First Christchurch. Currently just about to play a conference for a weekend. Check out some of the footage. Cheers, guys.